Hello everyone, this is Sachin from KP Morgan Group. With this video, I wanted to give an overview on how to use the virtual platform as an attendee. So basically, when you come with a common link to join the platform that looks like cbaa.floor.bz/cast/login, kind of like that, and you get the basically the option sign in with the email signing using join code. So if there is a various ways you can join the platform. You can sign in with the email and there is a batch ID and you can put first email then batch ID and then you can come to the floor. Or if you have signing codes which looks that big, like that, starting like that, you can copy paste from your email to here and then you click on join and it brings you to the virtual platform. When you come to the virtual platform, usually every time it will ask cbaa.floor.bz wants to use your microphone, use your camera. Please do allow it in case if you're going to join the stage or ask the questions video to or audio to or networking. Anyhow, we do recommend to click allow to use your camera and microphone, and here you see the camera sign. So this page is accessing your camera microphone, so you can see it there. And when you come by default it bring you to under the sessions here, and where you can see all the sessions align, and here you can see day 1, day 2, you can check it out like that. On your left side you see the options, our company logo, sessions, which is the room we're now, and layouts, audience, network, speaker, booths, reception. So let's start from layout. So when you click on layouts, it shows you the 3D view of the conference. So you can also click here, going to one of these options: sessions, speakers, booths, network, help desk, or the handouts, networking. So you can go by clicking here, or you can go with these options. So, and on the right side you see our event partner logos here. So when you click on sessions, or you can go by here or here, it brings you to the sessions, and if the session is live it shows green and live, otherwise it shows the time when it's going to be starting, and the times are local time Portugal, Lisbon, and it's the same as London time. So when we talk about CET, Central European Time, so it's 1 hour behind. So let's say if it's 8 a.m. in Portugal, it's going to be 9 a.m. in Central Europe, like Paris or Germany. Anyhow, so sessions, so you can click on join and you can join any session. So let's say if you want to join the session 1, you click here join, and it gives you an overview on what you can do, how to use it. So basically, get a visual layout. As I said, is the floor. The layout is the full plan of the floor, and you click next. You can go to the sessions. You click next. You see this is audience, where you can see the other who is attending and meet and network with the fellow participants. And then next, you see the network is like coffee shop. So basically, it's a launch. So you can go here and it can show you the plan here on your, it's all pop-up windows. So when you click here, the pop-up window start open on your right, and you can see who else is sitting here. So you can grab a seat there during the networking break or tea coffees, and or any, this platform is open from now on. You can even ask other attendees if you want to grab a meeting with them. You can do it on any table. The table number will be like networking table 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can ask your contact, or even you can join openly. So that's network, and close it. And then speakers. If you want to grab a meeting with the speaker, just drop them a message from here, let them know what time and then they can enter. If they accept it, they will enter in the room, and you see this green dot when they are in the room, and you can join them there. So it's one-to-one meeting with the speakers, and then next is the booths. So the booths are where basically for exhibitors and breakout rooms. So if if you would like to know what our event partners do and would like to grab a meeting with our event partners, so you can go to the booths and to know their services as well. And it's in boardroom style, and so you can check it out about them. I will just give you an overview in a bit. And then next is the reception. So if you're facing an issue, or if you have any trouble, or if you like to reach us or one of us, just go to the reception, send me a message, and one of us will get back to you. And then this is pretty much the options on your left. Now looking at option right, this is your profile photo. So when you click here, you can add it, update your profile photo yourself. Here's a toolbox where you can see the camera, if its camera is working right for you, and microphone, internet, if is an excellent. If it's red, poor, please sit next to the router so it will be better. Camera, which camera is using, microphone, which microphone is using, and if it's not some trouble, just reboot it or refresh from here and see if it works for you. And then this is handout back. During the conference, we will be updating some PDF files or handout materials from speakers or any additional information regarding the conference. You can always go to the handouts and you find it in handout back here. From here, you can send it to your mailbox by clicking here, send to mailbox directly, and it will go to your registered email with us. And that is notification. So meetings, no notifications. So if somebody is sending you a message, you will find the message here. And that's the options on top. So here you see the session name. If it's session 1, it will say session 1 and the time. And here partners are our event partners. By clicking here, it can bring you to their websites on their logo. So if you want to expand this screen, so you just click on partners, that pop-up window would go away. So goes as discuss. Under the discuss, if you have any comments or if you like to drop your business card, click attachment and business card, it will drop your business card. Otherwise, if you have any comment, questions, or anything you like to add into the speakers, please write it here. Hi, I have a question, and then send it. And then speakers will respond. During the speaker session, at the end of session, if you have any questions and answers for the speakers or any comments, you can type your question here and then send it by text, and speaker can answer by voice, the video. There is a way you can do the question here, or if you want to raise hand for questions, you can click on raise hand, and this hand icon will appear on the speaker's window and everyone's window, and then we can invite you to join on stage as video and ask the questions to the speaker by video. Otherwise, you're always, if we have enough time, we can invite you to the video. Otherwise, you can always type your questions here while our speakers be answering the other questions, and then send it to speakers, and speakers would be happy to answer. If you like something or slides about the speaker, just click on the like icon here, and when you unclick hands, it goes away. And then the Q&A is this, and then panelist, when you click on panelists, you can see who's speaking. In this session, there is no speaker because it's just attendee tutorial. Otherwise, you would see the speaker name. If any chairperson, moderator there, you can see their details too, and the polls. So when some of the speakers have created the polls, so when they will ask you to select your preferred option to vote, please go to the polls here, click on what you prefer, and it's real-time polling. So once you submit the answers, every speaker will be giving about 20 to 30 seconds to attendees to do the voting, and then you can see the poll results here. So when active, for example, if there's a question here, you click on the question, it shows the result. When you click again, it minimizes, and then that's all. You can scroll down for the poll, scroll up if there are many questions. So that's the poll. Handout, if any material, for example, agenda, you can find it under handouts. Audience, this audience shows you the audience for this session, this specific session. And on the left side, audience is the entire audience from the conference. So that's it shows on this end audience, and this audience is the audience which is attending the session. And that's pretty much for the speaker session. So when you want to leave, you just click exit room and you're out. Now the options for networking. So when you click on audience, you can see they're all here. So if you want to send somebody a message, you can click here and you can type it your message, hi, and the other person will get it, the message, and they can respond it back. Once they respond, you will see this red dot here. You know that somebody is typing message to you. And chats, your active chats, users, all users from the platform. And then going to the network, if you would like to take a coffee break or to network or meet someone, you can see who else is sitting here. You can simply click here and you grab a seat here. So far it's only me, so there's no one else here. Otherwise you can see here who else is on the sitting and who else is watching you. So here I see that somebody is watching us, so you can always see who is watching you and you're here. And now if you want, let's say there's nobody in this table and you want to switch to check the other table, you can see, click on network, the floor plan open here. This is me sitting here. And if you want to grab a seat, you can quickly click on table 2, and now I'm on let's see, I'm on table 2 now. You see, this is here I am. So you can simply move the tables like this by just go and grab a seat. During the networking breaks or tea coffee breaks, you can grab a seat so others can join you and you can discuss as an attendee, and you have the opportunity to meet the other attendees in a video to video. And now moving to the booths. Here, if you look at the booths, this is called the breakout rooms. We have theme-based created breakout rooms where attendees can go and join the breakout rooms. For example, breakout room name is digital health. So to go to the breakout rooms, if you click on booths, it will show you here. And you go to the breakout rooms here, and then you simply enter, click on enter, and it will take you out from that network. So I'm gone from here, but now I'm in the booth under the breakout room here. So breakout room. So if I want to join, so currently I'm in the waiting list. So the person, or you can schedule a meeting. If you want to schedule a meeting, you can leave your message for the person, and the person will pick up the meeting for you. So you can schedule a meeting. That's how you can schedule a meeting with the sponsors or event partners as well, what time you like to meet them, like that, and also with the speakers. So here you would be in the breakout rooms. Each breakout room would have a reception and assistant. Once the receptionist will see you, or assistant of the room will see you here on the waiting list, they can add you in the room. So the room looks like this, wait room. So you are here. So I'm in the waiting room. So meeting room is on invite base. You see, it seems all representatives are currently busy attending others. So you can ring a bell and leave a note. So if I ring a bell, so you see that somebody should hear me and allow me in. So when during the conference, if you like to enter to the breakout rooms, each breakout room would have a host and assistant, so who can allow you in the room. And when somebody entered to the room, you will see them sitting here. You can watch the room without even entering, like that. So it is the breakout rooms, one of the good features. So if you don't want to get engaged or to talk to anybody, you can watch the breakout room, what others are talking about, that you can watch it just by watch, and you can hit likes icon if you like something about it. And on the very here right corner of the screen, you can expand screen, you can full screen, and you can change HD or low HD depending on your internet connection. So that's pretty much breakout rooms. For more engagement, we have created it. Please feel free to join it. And this is the guest book. So you can drop a message here or anything if you have any comment for the breakout session. And then next to booths and breakout rooms is the reception. So where you click here, you see that here we would have a video for this video as well available here. You can go there and watch anytime to know the features about platform, how to use it. And then here is the feeds. So basically, if you have any comment or something, you can write here and post. This goes automatically on GCE worldwide Twitter hashtag. And also here, people can see on this platform, if you have general comments, you can type it in here and send it and post it. Happy to hear from you, and I think you're pretty much clear about it. And if you still have any problem, issues, or any comments, please do drop it to me. My mobile number will be sent to all speakers and attendees, and I'm available on WhatsApp, iMessage, or SMS, just a phone call away. So if you get caught in any trouble, just feel free to call me. I'm managing this summit and the platform, and would like to assist you with my best along with my team. So I wish you have you enjoy the conference and have a good time. And one very important point: if in case you're not able to see the slides or not hear anything, it could be because you're using your company virtual private network, which called VPN. We strongly ask all attendees and speakers, please do not access the platform via VPN. Try, if this is the case, try to use the internet with your mobile device. You can connect with your mobile data, or you can also use this floor login via your phone. You can watch whole conference through the phone. It's not an issue, or any other devices like tablet if you're getting trouble with the laptop to sign in or watch. So this is one of the feature of this platform. So you can use the link which we are sending to all attendees to come to the platform by any device. And at the moment, you can use one login for one person. You can't be as attendee log in on two devices at the same time. It will ask you to sign out from the other device. So just to make sure you sign in at a time at once. We will be asking the speakers if they have any handouts or PDF to share with the audience. You will receive the link of the presentation at the end of the summit via email, which you can go and check the slides, the presentations, and also along with the recording links, which would be allowed it to watch. So that's pretty much. Thank you very much, and wish you have a nice time.